Hey guys, Hacked here. Today we're gonna be doing all wall glitch locations on the repair map, and let's get right on into the video, why don't we? Alright, so this one is pretty obvious. It's like right here. All you gotta do is jump and like lean against the wall and press like the location bar, and then there you are. It's like how you get in the wall right there. And then right here, there's another one like right beside it. You basically get on any side of the wall and like get like right there, get in. There you are. Then we also do it like right here. And sorry if you hear the background. My brother and sister being bad. Like, you can do it on all sides. So, damn it. You hear them? We got school tomorrow, so yeah. Alright, get right there. Press it. Yeah, you're in. So then, this one's kind of sneaky. You can do that. You gotta be exactly perfect for nobody to see you. You also, like, move up a little. Be really sneaky, though. Right here. You might want to scoot over somewhere I don't see part of your box. And, shit. I was wondering, I don't know if you can do this, but shit, sorry about that. Sorry, I had a cut right there because like someone had joined and like put me as a hunter and I couldn't do anything. And I think no, yeah, you can get like right up in here, and I wouldn't really recommend it because either way you're gonna be seen. So you can get like shit. You can get like right here. This is also one of the ones I wouldn't recommend because you also be seen. I think you can like get like right up in here. No, they'll just send me a cooler. Well, this is another one. And like get in right here. This is what I like to do. I did this in one of my videos, and I just like sat right there. Yeah. And there's another one right here. I also wouldn't recommend this one unless you highlight this, like they will barely notice you. So, no, you can't do that. And you can also do the corner glitch on this side, but let's not waste time. And I think you can do it on this side too. Pretty sure. Like, so sure. Yeah, see, you can do that. This is also the ones you wouldn't recommend. And you can also do it over there too. Many people do that. And you can get like right up in here and shit. Get come on. Get right. No. Yeah, right there. And be in here. That's a wall glitch right there. And get right here, I think. I don't know if this will work. Yeah. Get right here. I wouldn't recommend that one because then you'll get set back to spawn. And there is one more. Damn it. I'm about to scream, and I just started the damn video. It's about to end. It's been a long day at school, and I don't have time for this shit. Right here. This is one. I did that one of my videos, like, turn into a barrel and sat there for a while. Literally. I would send a flashback, but I don't have the clip. And this is a bonus one. If you want to turn to this, you can like try to like get on top of those barrels. It's kind of hard, like those boxes. It's kind of hard, but it's worth it. One of my videos, I think I got right here, but this is how it would look right here. Get up there, you faggot. And then get right here. And come on, you. Whatever. You can get on top of that. I would most definitely recommend trying to do that on top of this barrel, trying to jump off that trash can or that. Really hard, but I would most definitely do it because it's like no one can see you because it's in the dark. Also, do the same for these. That's a really good spot. And if I really missed any wall glitches, let me know in the comments section below. Yeah, this is my very last Pixelmon video. Sorry. Whoa. Hang on. Can you? No. I don't know if this is true, but I think you can do this. No? Okay, that doesn't exist. But you can do that with a crush box. It's the easiest with the crush box. I think that's the only thing you can do it with. Unless I'm wrong. Hang on. Yeah. Try to get the bottom on there. Yeah, you can use the big box, but I would most likely recommend the crush box, so it's easier. And so yeah. And take it away, giveaway. Yeah, don't forget that I am still doing this awesome Batman VR giveaway on the PS4, and it's dope. So far, we only have one person that actually wants it. Good job, Cameron, whatever. Congratulations. I think you might actually be your winner. Cam Sucks at Gaming Fan Club. I don't know how to do that. And so thank you, Cam. You might be our winner. So if you want to enter this drawing by tomorrow, we're doing the drawing tomorrow, and the way you enter this drawing is you like this video, subscribe, and go in the comment section and say I subscribe, and then you'll be entered in the drawing. And we're doing the drawing tomorrow, and